In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a game on your PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to request a refund for any purchases made on your PlayStation 4 is to go to the PlayStation website at www.playstation.com. When you access this page, select Support at the top and then choose Support once again. In the PlayStation Support page, choose PlayStation Store and Refunds, and then select Refunds once again from the category. Now, at the left side of the screen, you will see Request a PlayStation Store Refund. Over here you have three options: Games and Add-ons, Subscriptions, or Pre-orders. Choose the one that best applies to you. I'm just going to select Refund for Games and Add-ons and then read the description. Make sure you are eligible for the refund or else you won't be able to properly get it. If you know that you are eligible or if you want to properly see, select Request Refund over here and you will be redirected to this page. Confirm the refund type and then read the description once again. As you can see, for Games and Add-ons, we need to contact the PlayStation support. So select that, and then choose PlayStation Stores and Refunds once again. PlayStation Store Refunds, and then as you can see, they're going to give us the options to contact them. Choose any of the options listed here, and you will be able to describe your issue in full and ask for the refund necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund a game on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.